Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can just like focus on the object and not the background by blurring the background out. Now if your object is a person, you can simply just go to cutout and select auto cutout. Wait, let me just copy and paste this first. I forgot to copy and paste this. So auto cutout. But if your object is for instance like a ball or something that's like square shaped, you can use a mask instead. But since the object is a person, I just selected auto cutout. Go to effects and add in a blur effect, which is under lens, but add it below the cutout. Oops, why is it so hard to copy down here? There we go. And add it there. It's going to look weird, but that's because the blur is a little bit too much. That's why it kind of looks weird. And if you want to focus a lot on the object, select it, go to adjustments, and kind of sharpen it just a little bit, not too much though, because you don't want it to look super fake. But yeah, that is basically it. You can kind of go here and adjust the saturation just a little bit. You don't want it to look like super black and white on the background. But that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!